Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into the topic of how to backup and restore data on teamwork.com. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First up, log into your teamwork.com account. You'll need to be an administrator to perform backup and restore actions, so make sure you've got those permissions. This is crucial for data security, ensuring only authorized individuals can handle sensitive data. Now that we've logged in, navigate to the Settings tab on the top right corner of your dashboard. In the drop-down menu, you'll find the Backup option. Clicking this is your first step towards safeguarding your data. This helps us because it's our portal to initiating the backup process. Next, you'll see a screen with a Start New Backup button. Click on it, and teamwork.com will begin creating a copy of all your project data. This might take a few minutes, so patience is key. The reason we do this is to ensure that we have a comprehensive copy of all our work, safe and sound, just in case. While that's happening, let me explain why this matters. Backing up your data regularly can save you from potential data loss or corruption scenarios. It's like an insurance policy for your digital information. Once you see a confirmation message that your backup is completed, you've successfully created a backup of your data. But what if you need to use this backup? That brings us to data restoration. To restore your data, go back to Settings, but this time choose Restore. Here, you'll see a list of all your backups. Select the one you want to restore. This helps us because it allows us to revert to a previous state if something goes wrong with our current data. Click the Restore button next to your chosen backup. Voila, your data is being restored. This process might take some time too, depending on the size of your data. Remember, restoring data will overwrite your current data, so use this feature wisely and only when necessary. It really is a lifesaver in those emergency situations where data might be lost or corrupted. And just like that, you've learned how to back up and restore data on teamwork.com. It's all about ensuring that your hard work is protected and recoverable, giving you the peace of mind to focus on what you do best. Thanks for joining us today on this journey through data backup and restoration. Until next time, stay safe and keep your data safer.